Hello everyone, my name is Vinay Patil. Today the topic of my presentation is automatic toll collection system using RFID. Over here RFID is known as radio frequency identification. As we all know that transportation is the backbone of any country's economy. Improvement in transportation system results into the good lifestyle in which we achieve extraordinary freedom for the moment. RFID based toll collection is used for fast and efficient toll collection at toll booths. Time and efficiency are a matter of priority of present day. To overcome the major issues of vehicle congestion and time consumption, RFID technology is used. The benefits of this RFID technology, it is faster and efficient. The ability to make payments by keeping a balance on the card itself. Fuel wastage has been reduced emission by reducing deacceleration rate and waiting time of vehicles in queue. Now we will see the circuit diagram for the project. This is the circuit diagram. Over here we have used many components like IR sensor, buzzer, servo motor. This is the RFID reader, RFID tag reader. This is the 16 into 2 LCD display. This is the keypad and this is the Arduino. We can use any Arduino board depending, like right now we have used the Arduino Nano in our project. This is the potentiometer and several resistors we have used. Now we will see. This is the block diagram for my project. There is everything like microcontroller, the Arduino Nano, RFID reader, IR receiver, motor driver, keypad, buzzer, LCD. So let's move on. This is the basic flowchart. The IR sensor sends the vehicle and the gate closes. Then the RFID reader reads the unique ID number of the card, and if the balance is sufficient, and this is the unique ID number for both the cards which we are going to use. Then if the balance is not sufficient on the card, the message will be shown like this: the your balance is insufficient. Then we can even recharge, like we have used the keypad through which we can recharge the card. If the balance is sufficient on the card, then the balance will be deduced and the balance will be shown on the screen. Like right now it has shown that like your remaining balance is this. Then after this the message will be displayed like have a safe journey ahead. Then the IR sensor will sense that the car has come and the gate will open and the car will go through it. Now I have made this project on hardware, so we will see the working of this project on the hardware. So let's see the working of this project. It is very time efficient, wastage of money is also reduced, consumption of oil is also reduced, pollution, the main thing right now over here is the pollution is also reduced, speedy transport, less congestion on the roadways, comparatively less maintenance cost for this system. So this system can be used, this system can be useful for motorists or the vehicles, everyone. Like the toll collection people will be also very favorable, and the motorist or the person which is passing through the toll are also very they can find this system very useful. So this is it, this is the simulation. So the conclusion of my project is like RFID tag cannot be cloned, so cannot be cheated. Like we saw in the working, like when we use a cloned RFID tag, the vehicle is not passed through the toll gate itself. So this is one of the safest way to use this RFID tag. Second thing, it is very efficient and saving of time. Wastage of money is also reduced, like consumption of oil is reduced, the pollution is reduced to a large extent, speedy transport, and the less congestion on the roadways. As we see, like nowadays the number of vehicles on road has been increased, so the congestion on the roadways using this system will reduce this congestion on the toll gates. Then comparatively the maintenance cost of this project is very less. The other applications of this project is in the parking lot. So when we will go into the parking lot, we will use this same smart card or the RFID card which is allotted to us. We will scan over there, and one receipt will come out from it, and the gate will open. It will give us a number from any of this, like we will give specific numbers in the parking lot, and it will give us number where the parking is available. So it will be very less time consuming, and we will come to know that this parking is available. So we can save our time by parking our car directly going over there. The another application is like in the elevator. So in the elevator we will scan the smart card, not to pay, but we will, like in the database, the unique ID number will be saved, and it will take us to the specific floor which we have saved in the database. So this is another application. There are some more applications, like while paying this thing fine when we break the signal, or any rules have been violated by us, the money will be deduced directly from our RFID card. So the chances of corruptions are very low. Thank you for watching my video. Have a nice day.